Today we're making chorizo grilled cheese. This is almost like a patty melt by the time you're done. I think you're going to be happy regardless of what you call it. We're going to start off with 2 slices of good bread, and we're going to spread a ton of butter on one side of each piece of bread. About 2 tablespoons on each slice. We're going to use about a 1/4 pound of Mexican-style chorizo. Next, we're going to grate about 2 ounces of cheese. I use cheddar. You can use cheddar, cheddar jack, Monterey Jack, whatever you like. Light a burner over medium heat. Put a skillet on that burner, and now we're going to cook our chorizo. Normally, I'd break up the chorizo, but in this instance, I'm going to flatten it kind of like a patty. That way it's going to get nice browning on both sides, and it's going to stay on the sandwich a lot easier. All in all, you'll cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes aside until it's nicely browned and cooked through. The chorizo I'm using has a lot of salt, so there's no need to add any more salt at this point. Once you've got nice browning on one side, go ahead and flip it to the other side. Once the chorizo is nicely browned and cooked through, go ahead and remove it from the pan. Then you want to give that pan a quick wipe down. Next, we'll set the burner to medium-low heat and put the pan back on it. And we're going to cook our sandwich. We'll go ahead and put a slice of bread butter side down in the pan. We'll go ahead and add some of our cheese, about half of it. And we'll cook until we have nice browning on the bottom of that bread and the cheese is melted. Should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and put our chorizo patty on top of that. Next, we'll top the chorizo patty with the rest of the cheese. And we'll put our second slice of bread, butter side up, on top of that. And then we'll carefully flip the sandwich over. And we'll cook until the rest of the cheese is melted and we have nice browning on the other side of the sandwich. Now we eat.